A gloomy start of Burr months for Jovelyn, having to spend it with her family at an evacuation center. She says they didn't plan to evacuate their 3-story house. But flooding was above head in Barangay Tatalon in Quezon City.
Kasi ang bahay namin is kahoy lang. Siyempre hindi mo masabi, sa dami nyo may mga bata, tapos yung gamit mo sa first floor, iaakit mo, wala ka rin tutulugan.
It's not Jovelyn's first time to stay in a temporary shelter, but she says she still worries about their safety.
Hindi comfortable, nakakatakot, iba-iba yung mga kasama mo, hindi mo masabi. Lalo't ganito lang kasi yung tent. Hindi siya may saraduhan, hindi katulad ng bahay.
For Nell G, it's much safer than staying at home. She sleeps in a tent with her mother, sister, and 4 daughters.
Kahit mainit, basta mayroon kang mahigaan, pisto.
Over 1,000 evacuees were brought to safer ground in Barangay Tatalon at the height of heavy rains on Thursday night. Raquel, who lives near a river, says her house always gets flooded.
Kasi papag lang po kami, tent lang kami. Ngayon yung pagbaba ko ng papag ko, hanggang dito. Tsaka wala po kami ilaw. Tinanggal po lahat yung mga namin dun kasi mataas na po ang tubig.
Quezon City Disaster Management Head Bianca Perez reminds residents in flood-prone areas to stay alert and evacuate as soon as they can. She says it's also necessary to keep go bags for emergency. Angelita says she's always ready, but she was still caught by surprise by the sudden downpour in Barangay Bagong Silangan.
Kasi nung bumaba kami sa amin, tagatuhod na namin yung tubig. Hindi na kami nag-aantay na tataas pa ng tataas yung tubig.
Nanay Eliza says she's also used to living in low-lying areas, but says she was traumatized just the same. She suffered from a mini stroke in 2022.
Buti nga, hindi ako natuluyan dahil nga kasi sa kaba. Kasi nga, di ba, laging may bagyo. Kaya nga, pagka kabado na kami. Basta't pagdating ng July.
As residents brace for yet another season of calamities, they're hoping to receive not just temporary relief, but also long-term assistance. Currie Cator, CNN Philippines.